Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Everything is judged by its appearance. What is unseen counts for nothing. Never let yourself get lost in the crowd, dead or buried in oblivion. Stand out. Be conspicuous at all costs. Make yourself a magnet of attention by appearing larger, more colorful, more mysterious than the bland and timid masses. Millions of people are forgotten throughout history. Most have nothing to their name and legacy. If you're one of those people who don't want to be forgotten, then listen carefully. The things that are not seen for people counts for nothing, as though it did not exist, which is why you must learn to get people's attention. Now, there's 2 parts to this chapter. I will talk about different things in each one separately. Let's get into it. Part 1. Surround your name with the sensational and scandalous. Burning more broadly than those around you doesn't come naturally. No one is born with this skill. The beginning on your rise to the top. Use all your energy on attracting attention. Get people's eyes on you. The quality of the attention is irrelevant. It doesn't matter. The attention you're getting could be good or bad. The critics, the attacks, the bad reviews, the bad comments, etc. All this attention will keep your name in front of people's eyes. The worst fate for a man who yearns fame, glory, and power is to be ignored. So do not let people ignore you. You must grab their attention. Once you're in the limelight and have people's attention, you need to constantly renew it. You do this by adapting and changing your methods of courting attention. If you don't, the public will grow tired and take you for granted. They will move on to something else. Do not let yourself fade into the background. Now, I'll give you an example I'll give you is from Pablo Picasso. You don't know who he is? He's a famous artist. Now, he would deliberately upset the public with his new paintings that went against expectation. He believed it's better to create something ugly and disturbing than to let people grow familiar with his work. So here's something you need to understand. People feel superior to the person whose actions they can predict, who they're familiar with. You can show who's in control by playing against their expectations. Not only will you get attention, you also gain respect. That's something to learn from Pablo Picasso. Image. The limelight. The actor who steps into the brilliant light attains a heightened presence. All eyes are on him. There is room for only one actor at a time in the limelight's narrow beam. Do whatever it takes to make yourself its focus. Make your gestures so large, amusing, and scandalous that the light stays on you while the other actors are left in the shadows. Part 2. Create an air of mystery. What seems enigmatic and mysterious instantly draws attention. Do not show all your cards. An air of mystery actively heightens your presence and actually creates anticipation. Truth is that we secretly crave things that we cannot instantly interpret or consume. The layers of interpretation excites our imagination and seduces us to believing that it conceals something marvelous. Remember that most people are upfront and can be read like an open book. They take little care to control their words or image and are hopelessly predictable. What you need to do is simply hold back, keep silent, occasionally utter ambiguous phrases, appear inconsistent, and act odd, subtle ways. This will create an aura of mystery, and that mystery can actually make average and mediocre people appear intelligent and profound. Keep that in mind. Now, you could be in a social position that prevents you from completely wrapping yourself in mystery. If that is the case, at least learn to make yourself less obvious. Every once in a while, act in a way that does not mess with other people's perception of you. You'll keep people on the defensive or draw attention to your air of mystery. So, if you do this correctly, your mysteriousness will draw attention to you and enhance your power. Alright, so another thing I need to read out from the book. Image. The dance of the veils. The veils envelop the dancer. What they reveal causes excitement. What they conceal heightens interest. The essence of mystery. Reversal. Never wear the public out with the same tactic. An air of mystery definitely works, but it must seem measured and under control. The mystery you must create must seem playful and unthreatening. There are times when you don't want to draw attention to yourself as well, so you might get attention that offends or challenges the reputation of those above you. To just make you seem desperate in comparison. Never appear desperate or greedy for attention. This shows insecurity, and insecurity does not give you power. There are times when you don't want to be in the center of attention. For example, you could be in the presence of a boss, leader, king, queen, etc. If this is the case, retreat to the shadows and don't compete for attention. Overall, grabbing people's attention can give you power when done correctly. You could be scandalous or mysterious to get attention. But being the center of attention is not always the best thing to do, like I said in the reversal, so learn to grab attention and learn when to keep a low profile. Leave a like and subscribe if this video provided value to you. Links in the description, like always, if you want to get the book. Thanks for watching. Fulfill your purpose. I wish you the best, and farewell.